Hey everyone, I'm Crystal and today I want to show you this tool by Deminuage. When you first receive your tool, you'll have to connect this and charge it. Once it's charged, it should be good to go. Next I'm going to show you how to use it. Each night after you cleanse your face and apply your toner, then you will apply your spot treatments and serums. Here I am applying a spot treatment for acne and then a brightening serum. You would apply your treatments and serums just how you normally would, and then here is how you use the tool. You can grab your nanochip and you can choose either a daily or a booster nanochip. You use the daily nanochip 5 times a week and it's used daily to gently condition the skin. The booster nanochip is used 1 to 2 times a week for a deep boost. For tonight, I will try the daily nanochip. It looks like this and it comes in this sealed package. It's just this little plastic thing right here. I'll grab this tool and I'll twist it in. This is what it will look like once you're ready to use it. Once you're ready, just press this button right here and it will go on. This has 3 different settings: high, medium, and low. This little thing right here helps your treatments and serums penetrate your skin even more. I just lightly place it on my face and stroke upwards on all the places where I treated my skin. It feels like a little massage for your face. This thing does give a little warning not to use it over 3 times on any area of your face. After you're done, you can apply your moisturizer and then go to bed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.